How to close a store on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to close your store that you have on Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your Shopify admin and you will get right here. So we can actually, close our store if we want to. It's really easy. So first, what you have to do is you will simply go to the settings, and in settings, you have to go to plan. So once you go to plan, then it will open up your current plan for you that you have on Shopify, the subscription that you have. And it will say deactivate trial or deactivate your subscription. And once you click on deactivate right here, it will close your subscription, and once the subscription ends, your close will be inactive and it will be closed. So this is the way you can close your store on Shopify. Keep in mind, when you close your store, you will be getting rid of everything, all your products, all of the different integrations you have, pixels, everything. So be sure that you want to close your store, and then you can just go to plan and deactivate your subscription. Another way, if you're thinking of giving your store to someone else, and if you want to do that, there's another option. What you can do is you can go to your store details and you can just open up your basic store, or you can go to your store ownership. And once you go to like user and permission, here you will have your own, detailed store owner. So if you want to transfer your store, this is another way of actually giving your store to someone else, and they can then, create their own store and add their own products, whatever they want to do. So you can transfer your store as well by just entering an email, first name, last name, and password, and transfer the store ownership. Now the store will belong to them, and you will no longer own the store. So just go to plan and deactivate or transfer your Shopify store really easily. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.